Welcome to the deep dive. Your essential shortcut for navigating this, well, huge landscape of information.
It's a lot out there.
Especially in fields like artificial intelligence, right? It changes so fast. Feels like trying to drink from a fire hose sometimes.
Absolutely.
So our mission here is simple. Cut through the noise, get to the core, and help you get truly well-informed, fast.
Get you up to speed.
Today, our deep dive, it's a bit different. Not a dense research paper, not a news splash, but something maybe even more revealing.
Okay.
The professional profile of Amarnath R.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah, think of it less like just a resume and more like a blueprint.
A blueprint, I like that.
Yeah, how a top AI architect actually builds a career that makes a real impact. We're going to unpack that journey.
Exactly. So our mission is to really understand how someone like him consistently delivers these, scalable AI solutions.
Right.
And secures significant funding, that's key, and makes a tangible impact, both for businesses and, well, society. This profile, it gives amazing insights into that mix,
What mixes that?
That blend of deep technical skill, the strategic thinking, and actually applying it practically. That's what makes a real AI leader.
Okay, let's dive in then, starting with the professional summary.
Yeah.
The headline impression.
Right.
AI solution architect, 10+ years experience overall, specializing in Gen AI, LLMs, deep learning, for enterprise stuff.
Standard impressive stuff, but what jumps out?
Well, what strikes me isn't just the tech speak, it's the immediate mention of, money, financial validation.
Yes, that's a fantastic point. The tech expertise, you kind of expect it at this level, right?
Sure.
But highlighting over $3 million, secured from government sources, DST in India, that's the Department of Science and Technology, and VCs.
It says something different.
It really does.
Right.
It says he doesn't just build cool AI tech. He builds solutions that people believe in enough to fund heavily. Viable, scalable stuff.
Bridges that gap between R&D and business.
Exactly. So many struggle there. And you see the specific expertise too. Transformer models.
The foundation for most LLMs now.
Right. And things like agentic AI systems.
Can you quickly unpack agentic AI?
Sure. Think of AI that doesn't just process data or answer a question. It can actually reason, plan, and do things autonomously.
Like a superpowered digital assistant.
Sort of, yeah, but with more independence in complex situations. And then there's the real-time ML piece,
Right.
meaning systems that learn and react instantly. Crucial for things like, say, fraud detection or live video analysis. He covers a lot of ground.
Okay, so this level of impact, it didn't just happen overnight. Let's peel back the layers a bit. Where did it start?
Foundation.
Exactly. Academics and early jobs. The profile shows a PhD in computer science, University of Mysore, 2016 to 2019.
Okay.
Thesis on segmentation in document images.
Document images.
Interesting.
And before that, an MTech, also Mysore, 2011-2013. Thesis. Indian paper currency recognition system for visually impaired. Ugh, okay, now I see a thread emerging. It's fascinating, right? So many AI folks now jump straight into massive language models.
Mm-hmm.
But his early focus, really fundamental computer vision challenges, document segmentation, currency recognition, that's gritty stuff.
How does that give an edge, you think?
Well, I think it means mastering the messy reality of data. Data hygiene, feature extraction, these are crucial for any complex AI system.
Getting the foundations right.
Exactly. It prepares you for real-world data, which is rarely clean. It's not just about fancy algorithms.
Makes sense. And then we see the early professional roles.
Yeah.
Ampisoft Technologies.
All right.
Software Associate and Developer first, 2010-2011. Then steps up to Technical Architect and Trainer, 2013-2015.
Okay, so spanning before and after the MTech.
Seems so. And here, he's developing core features for an EdTech platform.
EdTech, okay.
Building adaptive learning algorithms with ML, recommendation engines for students, even auto-evaluation systems.
Applying ML directly to learning process.
And the impact was pretty clear. Platform scaled to over 10,000 students, and they saw a 60% improvement in student engagement.
Wow, 60%. See, that fits the pattern, doesn't it? Even early on.
How so?
Taking the academic knowledge, the ML theory, and immediately translating it into something practical that delivers, measurable benefits for users and the business.
Not just research, but results.
Precisely. A theme we'll probably see again.
Okay, so after laying that groundwork, the AI focus seems to really accelerate, kicks into high gear.
Where does that happen?
Well, 2019-2020, he's machine learning lead at Tex Mercado Solutions.
He's a Mercado, right.
And get this, the profile notes, his AI work there directly helped secure $2 million in seed funding through technical demos.
Okay, so AI driving investment again, very direct link.
Yeah. and technically. Developing advanced OCR, optical character recognition, and NLP models.
4.
Automated content extraction, document AI. It sounds like building on that earlier document analysis work.
Makes sense, connecting the dots.
And there's this focus on efficiency, too. Optimizations leading to 10x faster inference speeds.
Which means the AI runs much quicker.
And a 35% cut in cloud costs.
Also crucial, shows he's thinking about operational reality, not just the algorithm.
Then 2020, a really pivotal role, it seems. Principal Technical Architect at Cocos Labs Innovative Solutions.
Cocos Labs, okay.
What was pivotal about it?
This is where it gets really interesting. He was the principal investigator for a COVID-19 thermal screening AI project.
Wow, okay. High stakes.
Definitely. And it secured over $1 million in DST government funding.
Government funding again for a critical public health application. That's major validation.
Technically, it involved a real-time video analytics pipeline, using deep learning for health monitoring.
Real-time videos.
Computer vision models for automated temperature checks, crowd analytics.
Stuff needed right then during the pandemic.
Exactly.
All right.
And crucially, building production-ready ML systems. Systems that served over 10,000 daily users.
10,000 daily users.
With 99.9% uptime. Okay, that's impressive. 99.9% uptime for a real-time, high-volume system.
Yeah.
That blend of, deep tech skill, leading a critical project, and having that immediate societal impact, it's quite unique.
It really is.
It makes you ask, right? What does it actually take to deploy AI like that, under those conditions? High stakes, real-world pressure.
That is a crucial question, especially for something like COVID screening.
Yeah.
From what we can piece together here. Well, first, that 99.9% uptime figure for 10,000 users daily, that screams meticulous MLOps. Machine learning operations, right? Robust infrastructure. It's not just about having a clever algorithm.
It's making it work reliably at scale.
Exactly. Production ready. Second, that real-time video analytics pipeline.
Yeah.
That implies serious optimization, low latency, which affects everything, model choice, hardware.
Gotta be fast.
And third, the societal impact piece. That means rigorous testing, ethical considerations. Because mistakes aren't just bugs, they could affect health outcomes.
Right. Huge responsibility.
So it's pushing the tech boundaries, but also mastering that operational excellence.
That's a great summary. It's the gap between a lab project and a mission-critical system. He clearly bridged it there.
Okay, so let's shift gears slightly. Scaling AI within the enterprise. From 2022 to 2024, he's a solutions architect at HCL Technologies.
HCL, big player, so broader scope.
Definitely. Architecting AI-powered enterprise apps for over 50 global clients.
50? Wow.
Integrating the cutting-edge stuff. LLMs, generative AI solutions.
So taking the latest AI trends into large organizations.
And getting concrete results. A 40% boost in operational efficiency from automated document processing workflows.
There's that document theme again, but now at enterprise scale.
Right. And an 80% increase in customer satisfaction through real-time AI analytics and predictive modeling.
80%, that's huge. Directly impacting the customer experience.
And leading teams, too. Cross-functional teams, 8+ engineers deploying these systems.
So if you connect this to the bigger picture,
Yeah.
what you're seeing is someone who's mastered operationalizing AI. So taking these powerful tools and making them work effectively, reliably inside complex, large-scale business environments and driving serious business value, measurable ROI.
It needs that mix of tech depth and business understanding.
Absolutely. You can't just throw tech at a problem.
And alongside building these systems, there's this other thread, shaping talent.
The training aspect.
Yeah, a recurring role as AML corporate trainer and independent consultant. First, 2021, 2022, then again from 2024 to now.
Okay.
Delivering enterprise AI training programs, covering LLMs, Gen AI, MLOps, to over 200 professionals.
200 people. And who were they?
Major clients.
Yeah.
Deloitte, EPAM India, Sigmoid Analytics, even Walmart.
Wow. Big names. So training the trainers almost, upskilling industry professionals.
Seems like it. Creating modular training frameworks, hands-on workshops, specifically mentions transformer models and prompt engineering.
The really hot topics right now,
Yeah.
that really rounds out the picture of what an AI leader does, doesn't it?
In what way?
It shows a commitment beyond just building your own stuff. It's about disseminating that knowledge, lifting the whole field, helping grow the next wave of AI talent.
Contributing to the ecosystem.
Exactly. That's vital for sustained growth in AI.
So if we were to summarize his toolkit based on this profile.
The core competencies.
Yeah. In AI and ML, it lists generative AI, LLMs, computer vision, those agentic AI systems, MLOps, real-time analytics, It's a broad list.
Very broad. Covers a lot of modern AI.
The tech stack is pretty hefty, too. Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, the big ML frameworks.
Standard, but essential.
Transformers Hugging Face Key for LLMs, AWS for cloud, Docker, Kubernetes for deployment.
The whole MLOps pipeline, basically.
Vast API, even React.js for front-end stuff sometimes, it seems.
Full stack awareness.
And then the leadership side. Technical architecture, team leadership, that corporate training piece, and R&D.
What's really striking there is how comprehensive it is. It spans the entire AI lifecycle, right?
From start to finish.
From the deep research end, through model building, deployment, managing it in production, and even training others on it.
A full spectrum capability.
Yeah, it lets him move between different project phases, understanding both the nitty-gritty tech and the big picture strategy. That's rare.
And even outside the main roles, there are these independent projects listed. Seems the drive doesn't stop.
Oh, like what?
One called CodeIdea.in, enhancing a coding competition platform, adding algorithm visualizations, real-time problem-solving environments.
Cool.
Also organized hackathons for over 500 students through it.
Giving back to the student community, too.
Nice. And another project, Surino, a real-time communication platform messaging, voice, video, optimized for low latency.
Interesting. Building communication tech. You know, these side projects, they really underline that passion, don't they?
How so?
It's that constant drive to just build things, solve problems, apply technology in practical ways, even outside the 9 to 5. That's often the mark of someone deeply invested in the field, pushing boundaries.
It's been quite a journey mapping this out today, looking at Amarnath R's career.
Definitely.
From, that deep academic work on document images and currency
Way back.
to leading these multi-million-dollar projects funded by government, by VCs,
Big impact stuff.
architecting huge enterprise AI systems for global companies, and then also training hundreds of other professionals in the latest AI.
It really is a remarkable trajectory. Sustained impact over time.
So what's the big takeaway here? If you look at this blueprint.
I think if there's one core lesson from this profile, this blueprint, it's that making a real dent in the AI world isn't just about being a technical wizard.
Right, it's more than that.
It's that masterful integration. Yes, the technical depth, but combined with strategic execution. His journey shows you need to identify the right problems, the big pain points.
Spot the opportunity.
Exactly. Then articulate the value clearly enough to get people to invest serious resources.
Secure the funding.
Right. And then lead the teams meticulously to deploy solutions that genuinely change things. Transform operations, deliver societal benefits, whatever the goal is.
So translating the innovation into real, measurable results at scale.
Precisely. It's a fantastic roadmap, really, for anyone who wants to make a significant mark with AI.
Okay, so as AI keeps reshaping basically everything around us at, warp speed,
It feels that way sometimes.
we'll leave you, the listener, with a final thought to maybe mull over.
A provocative one.
Hopefully. What emerging challenge, maybe in your own field, your own work right now, could really benefit from this kind of AI approach?
This integrated, impact-driven expertise we've been talking about.
Exactly. And maybe more personally, what steps could you take to start cultivating that same blend of skills, that vision, to actually tackle it?
Food for thought.